Who's coming to see you, Caden? Granny?
Yeah!
How's she coming?
Paper!
Airport?
Yeah!
Who's gonna go pick her up?
You!
And who else?
Me!
Is she gonna come in a big plane?
Poo-poo!
At the airport? Yeah.
Poo!
Hey, and what is she gonna sing you when she sees you?
Sunshine!
Sunshine.
Yeah!
Can you sing
Yeah!
Can you sing Sunshine?
No.
No?
Granny's going to bring me.
What's Granny gonna bring you, Kristen?
My new shoes.
The ones you left at Granny's house?
Yes.
All right.
I want you to take a video of us.
I am taking a video of you.
No, a picture of us.
I am.
No, you're not. Can it move?
Are you excited Granny's coming?
Yes.
Where are you?
Take a picture.
Why are you under the table, Caitlin?
Look.
All right.
Get down.
Who's excited Granny's coming?
Me.
What is that?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Okay, can you say bye-bye?